In this final program, I'm going to show you how to save, load and modify a database of records stored in a file on disk. This makes use of many of the techniques and functions from earlier steps, so in addition to showing examples of file handling, this program should also help you to revise many of the important topics described earlier in this course. This program stores a database of CD records in a binary file called cd_database.bin. And when I run it, you can see that it prompts the user to enter a single letter command to view or modify the data in that file. And the commands available are A, to add a new record, D, to display all existing records, M, to modify a record, N, to show the total number of records, S, to save data from memory to disk, and Q, to quit. The program comprises 3 source code files: main.c, which runs a loop to process the one-letter commands until Q is entered, mystring.c, which contains my readline function, readlin, and cd_db.c, which contains the code to manipulate the CD database. There are also 2 header files, mystring.h, and this declares the functions in mystring.c, and cd_db.h, and this declares the functions in cd_db.c, as well as an enum, a string type str50, the cd struct type, a globally available array cd_collection, and a cd struct called tempcd. And I use that as a temporary storage area when I read in the data for a new CD as the user enters it at the keyboard. Now, I won't discuss the entire code of this project in this tutorial. That would take far too long, and in any case, you should by now be able to understand most of it. Instead, I want to concentrate on some functions and techniques which I've not used before. And in particular, I want to start off by looking at the routines used to load and save collections of CDs, that's CD structs, to and from disk. Most of that code is in cd_db.c, and I'll start with that in the next video.